This video is all about getting resurrection in Type Soul. As it's a very lengthy process, make sure to follow along. Alright, let's go. So, for full resurrection you need to go through 3 stages. Just like all the other ones, like Vault Standing and Bankai. For Stage 1, you need 13 raid wins or 7 clan wins or around 20 ranked wins or so. For the raid wins, just go over to Hugo Mundo, which is your hometown. And in there, just circulate through raids, get 13 wins, and you should be able to complete Stage 1. Now, once you're done with the raids, go over to the farm area, and inside the warehouse you'll find this man. Talk to him, and he'll tell you your progress. For Stage 2, just like how you did for the Shinagamis and for the Vault Standing. Basically, you need 15 Elite Grips kills, 1 boss kill, and for this you can go for Jidambo or Bawa Bawa. And lastly, 80 hollow kills. And remember, you need to do all of this without dying. If you die during this stage, you'll lose all your progress, so be careful with it. Now once you finish Stage 2, you're gonna go Hugo Mundo again. Go inside the castle and find the library upstairs. Over there, you have to find a book that is titled as Unrivaled. And once you have that, that means you're done with Stage 2. You're ready to get your resurrection now. Now, once you're finished with Stage 2 and have read the book, you want to go towards the creator the Mino's cave and you want to jump down. In here, you have to look for a big curving branch and climb on it. And you're eventually going to get up to the wall. Just keep moving and you'll be able to reach to this cave. Go at the end of the cave and meditate next to bench. After 2 minutes of meditation, you'll be able to reach this white area. And here's you'll see these 2 hollows. They're basically the statues, so just go ahead and click one of them. And it'll then say you finally found me. And once you see that, this means you finally have your full resurrection. Alright, so that's all for this video. The only thing I would say is good luck, cause it's a bit hard to get. Anyways, just try your best and hopefully you'll get it. Thanks.